Team Hatzi, we're out here waiting for a public to walk by, and we're gonna ask them about Hatzi.
It was day 56 and the plan was simple, Team Hatzi. It was to find a box. So I started off on my laptop, Team Hatzi, as always. I went on Google and then searched up local box supplies in my area. I scrolled down, Team Hatzi, and found this website. I had a look on the website and oh no, Team Hatzi, I had forgot to measure out my box. So I went onto my old video on my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, just subscribe right now, Team Hatzi. I went on that video and I found the Hatzi box. Then I decided to measure it out. After I got the measurements, I went to page 10 on Google and I finally found the website. I hopped on the website, found the box, went to Bunnings, and I finally found the spray paint too.
It was day 57, Team Hatzi, of the 180-day challenge. And yesterday, Team Hatzi, I found my spray paints and my box. So it was only reasonable now to ring my stencil guy, my secret stencil guy from the school. My school, actually. Hello?
Hi, Mr. Hatzi.
How's it going?
I have sad news. It's a no-go. The school has not let me.
Oh, that is a shame. That's a shame. We'll sort something out, Team Hatzi. So it's a shame that we can't do it at the place, at my school, and now we have to find a plan B, Team Hatzi.
The plan was simple. It was go to the UNSW engineering department and ask them if we could borrow their laser cutter. I went down, found their address and looked for their number, and as I was searching for their number, Team Hatzi, I found out that today they were closed. They were the only place with a laser cutter and I would have to ring them back on Monday. It was day 59 of the 180-day challenge, and today I went to a Hatzi member's house. His name was Nicholas Norbury, and this Team Hatzi was going to be his first ever gig. I know that Team Hatzis are very, very smart, so I had to come up with a crazy question to ask Nick.
I've had this crazy idea about using the beach as a background for the Hatzi hoodie. What do you think about that, Nick?
At a beach?
Yeah, like put the background at the beach with a Hatzi hoodie.
Do you wear Hatzi hoodies at a beach?
Little did Nicholas Norbury know that the actual Hatzi website will be featuring a little bit of the beach in it. Introducing the first ever Hatzi website.
It was day 60, Team Hatzi, and today was a historic day, Team Hatzi. We had finally made our first ever Hatzi sale on the first ever Hatzi hoodie. So now I'm going to welcome Declan onto the stage so we can ask him a few questions. So come on, Declan, give him a warm welcome, everybody. So I'm going to ask Declan right now, what do you think and how do you feel about buying the first ever Hatzi hoodie and becoming a part of history?
Well, I'm really excited and I can't wait to wear it and be able to see everyone looking at me and be like, what? So, you know?
So what do you like about the first ever Hatzi hoodie and what made you buy it?
Well, I also wanted to support you, but besides that, I reckon they're going to be really comfortable and yeah, I'm just really excited.
That is some great advice and some great news to hear. So Team Hatzi, I want to ask Declan, does he have anything to say to you, the viewers, Team Hatzi?
Yes, I actually do. I reckon right now you guys should start to get onto the Hatzi website and start to buy your Hatzi jumpers.
He is a genius right now, Team Hatzi. He's the biggest genius I've just talked to. He's bought the first ever Hatzi hoodie, and you should too. Team Hatzi, it's day 61 of the 180-day challenge, and it was time to market Team Hatzi to everybody in the world. So I asked you guys on Instagram, how can we do this, Team Hatzi? One of you guys told me that we could use free websites such as eBay and Gumtree to get the name out there for free. Another way that you told me, Team Hatzi, was to make competitions. So you either buy a Hatzi hoodie and you go into draw to maybe win another Hatzi hoodie maybe, or another Hatzi sticker, or even like a PS4 or Xbox, the new ones, Team Hatzi. Another idea that you guys also told me is putting posters around the place. Little A3 or A4 posters in corner shops, cafes and all around, just to get the name out there, Team Hatzi, because that is what we're trying to do. But Team Hatzi, if you listen now, the biggest one of all, coming closer, the biggest one that can help Team Hatzi and the name get out there is by you guys telling everybody, the word of mouth. So Team Hatzi, tell everyone that you know. Tell your dog, tell your mum, tell your mum's friends, tell your neighbor, and even tell that enemy that you don't like. Just tell them, hey, have you heard of Hatzi? And they'll be like, I don't like you. But you'll be like, well, maybe you should look at Hatzi. Maybe you will like me. Team Hatzi, we're out here waiting for a public to walk by, and we're gonna ask them about Hatzi. So, just looking out right now, waiting for someone to come by, someone from the public that we can see. Oh look, there's someone on the bike. Come on, let's go. Do you know Hatzi?
No.
Do you know Hatzi?
No.
Get out your phone. I'm going to show you Hatzi. I want you to buy a hoodie. Hatzi hoodie's the best. Okay. What's your name, by the way?
My name's Connor.
Connor. You got Connor here. He's going to look up Hatzi, and he's going to look up a Hatzi hoodie. Oh, would you buy
Hatzi?
Would you buy Hatzi? Would you buy that hoodie?
It looks good, but like the brand's not really well known. But the jumper looks good.
Would you buy it though?
It's a bit too expensive, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, nice. Thank you for stopping by, having a nice chat. Okay.
See ya.
As Connor rode off, he made me realize that when you start out a business, you don't sell your most expensive things first. You just want to get the name out there. So this is why Team Hatzi will be changing. We'll stop selling the Hatzi hoodies and we'll start trying to sell something more inexpensive. So in the meantime, to find out what it is and to help Team Hatzi, follow their Instagram and remember Team Hatzi to be your best!